Hello everyone, I am going to demonstrate how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I have Rubik's Cube, 3 layers, 6 sides and different colors. First is orange, blue, red, green, white and yellow. So, in the given task that I have, I am going to make a cross line. First is I am going to reassemble this Rubik's Cube. So, ito po, before ka gumawa ng cross lines, so, ang una mong gagawin is, hanapin mo yung gitna na puti. And then, so, maghahanap ako ng mga white na colors and then gagawa din ako ng cross white. Ito, cross white. And then, pag gagawa ka ng cross white, isasama mo na rin yung dito. Yung dapat pareho siya ng colors. Yan, yan. So, ito na. So, cross white yan. Yan. Tapos, maghahanap ka ng isang puti. Yan, puti. Tapos, puti, tapos blue. So, maghahanap ka ng blue na dapat mong itapat sa dito. So, yan. So, ang gagawin mo is yan, balik, ayan, yan, parehas na siya. And then, parehas na rin yung orange. So, maghahanap ka na rin ng white. So, white. So, ang nasa itaas niya is red. Diba? White, tapos red. So, hanapin mo yung center na red. Yan. Red, white, tapos red. So, ang gagawin mo is uh, right, right, up, down, clockwise, down, tapos up. So, ayan na siya. Red, blue, orange. So, ang hindi na lang is yung green. So, maghahanap ka ulit na puti. So, yan. White, tapos green. So, hanap ka ulit ng green na nasa gitna. So, hanapin mo. So, yan. Green. So, ganyan. So, tapat na siya. Green, white, tapos green. So, ang gagawin mo dyan is, ganyan, up, down, counterclockwise, up, tapos. So, yan na. Cross lines, tapos kasama na rin yung green, red, blue, tapos orange. So, yan lang po yung task na ibinigay sa akin. So, maraming salamat.
Have a nice day everyone, I am Dina Anthony S. Monteza, BSB FM1C. Now I'm going to solve the white corners of the Rubik's Cube. In solving the white corners, the white cross should face downward. Now the first step is to find the corners with the color white. Now, like for example, this one, blue, red, and white. So, now let's find the centers. Let's put this blue, red, and white to the center of blue and red. Now, here it is. Color blue and red. So now we can proceed to write algorithm. Now, here it is. The color white goes down. Now, let's find another corners with color white. Here it is. White, green, and red. So, let's put it in the center of green and red. So, now they are in the center of red and green. Let's do the right algorithm. It's done. Now let's find another one. Here it is. White, blue, and orange. Let's put it in the center of blue and orange. Here it is. Orange and blue. Let's do the right algorithm. So, here it is. Only one is unsolved. So, let's continue. So, we're done. Here is the white corners. And then, we've formed the T green, T red, T blue, and T orange. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone. I am Dina Anthony S. Monteza, BSB EFM1C. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. Now the first step is to match the edge on the center, like this. So they are matched. Now the second step is to decide where this edge should go. Is it to the right or to the left? Now the left is the only available, so it is obvious that this edge should go to the left. Now the moves are: move the upper layer to the right. Do the left algorithm. Turn the entire cube to the left. Do the right algorithm. Now, if in the case that this edge should go to the right, the moves are move the upper layer to the left, do the right algorithm. Turn the entire cube to the right, do the left algorithm. Just continue the step until you can solve the second layer. And now we're done. Here it is. Red, blue, and orange. That's all. Thank you for watching.
A minute ah. Gipaning kamot, gana kayo mabuo. Ito lang. Tag, baksa music.
Kana imong inamot dali jay ko kung magbubo pa ng ito pagdamay dito sa bulunglong. Imo pa mag-standby basta sa magtapok.
Nah.
Now in step 6, we are going to orient the yellow corners on the top layer using the slightly modified algorithm. In this step, make sure that the edge here matches the color of the center, which is color orange. Now, the moves are U clockwise, R forward, or R up, U counterclockwise, L up, U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, and then left down. Now, we're done. We're done. Now in step 7, or the last step in solving the Rubik's Cube, we are going to solve the yellow corner on the top layer. We will use the U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, and R up in solving this step. Make sure that this yellow is in front of you. Now let's proceed. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, R up. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, R up. So here is the yellow. Next is this one, so we will just turn it here. Let's proceed. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, R up. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, R up. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise, R up. U clockwise, R down, U counterclockwise. And now, we're done.